Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdullah Jaid. I am from Team Red Hell of our project SAP On. My ID is 2100211108. As I designed the clock portion of my project, now I am explaining it. Here we used a sub-circuit and logic state and logic probe to show the output of my design. But in our final circuit, we use the push button or press button as our teacher instructed that. Now we will go to the child sheet for details design. I have divided my design into four sections. First, I will explain 555 timer IC, then I will explain the circuit diagram, then I will show how the circuit works, and lastly, we will see the output. As our teacher told us to keep both manual and auto condition, we used here two 555 timer IC. Both the IC structure is same. Here we are seeing the 8 pin of the IC. We will show the which pin work is which. Pin 1 is mainly supply 0 volt pin. Pin 2 is mainly triggering pin. Pin 3 is mainly output pin. Pin 4 is mainly reset pin. Pin 5 is mainly control pin. Pin 6 is threshold pin. Pin 7 is discharge pin. Now we will show the circuit diagram. For manual condition, we needed triggering. From pin 2, we get the triggering here. Pin 4 and pin 8 is connected with 5 volt battery and connected with 1 kilo ohm resistance. Pin 7 and pin 6 is connected another portion of the resistor which is connected with a capacitor 1 microfarad and ground. Pin 5 is connected with another capacitor 1 nanofarad and ground, and pin is ground 1 is ground. That is the normal circuit diagram of monostable multivibrator. Now we'll see the circuit diagram of a stable multivibrator, which is a little bit different from the monostable. For a stable multivibrator, we need no triggering. For this, from pin 2, we use no triggering. Pin 2, pin 4 and pin 6 is connected with R3 resistor whose value is 10 kilo ohm, which is connected with C3 capacitor and grounded. Pin 4, pin 7 and pin 8 is connected with 10 kilo ohm resistance, and another capacitor we used here 1 nanofarad, which is connected with pin 5. Yes. As it is auto condition, we need here continuous signal, continual pulse from here. We have to see how the quick or slow the pulse is. For quick or slow down the pulse, we can increase the value of resistors, capacitor and this capacitor. We can both increase and decrease the pulse. Yeah, that was the circuit diagram structure. Now we'll see how manual and auto condition work. Monostable and stable multivibrator works. For manual condition, if we press the manual button, we will get the output from pin 3 and it will go to the this AND gate. And as auto is off, this will go to this and there is a NOT gate, so it will not work, but it will activate it as it is. So manual is on, auto is off. And this will get to the this OR gate. Then if we press the auto button and stop the manual button, then this will go this line and there is a NOT gate. For this gate, it will off condition, and for this will on condition. Both the manual and auto will go to the this OR gate. After that, we used a NOT here. For using this NOT, there is a specific reason. If we run the circuit, then we will show as it is active low, we will get a low output from here, manual condition from the output pin. But to make this one condition, we use this NOT gate here. It will make our manual one condition. And at last, we also used a halt condition here. For halt 1, the circuit will off condition. For halt 0, the circuit will on condition. For the output of OR gate and halt gate is passed through the AND gate, and this is the final clock pulse signal. And this was the working principle of clock design. Now we'll show the output. For this, we'll go to parent sheet. Uh, okay. Now I am running the circuit. Here is the circuit. So first, I have make the halt button 0 for on condition of the circuit, and I will press the manual clock. Yes, the LED is in on mode. Here you can see. Now I will make it off and auto condition on. Yes, here is the LED blinking as the auto condition off. If we make halt 1, both the circuit LED will off for both manual and auto condition. And that was the normal. For halt 1, 0, it will on condition. For halt 0, it will off condition. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.